When scientists discovering the elements, their faith and need they group in this element. It can be done by grouping physical and chemical properties of metals and non-metals. Let us try to understand some physical and chemical properties of metals and non-metals. First property of metal is luster. All the metals in the pure state in the shiny surface. This property is called metallic luster. எல்லா மெட்டலும் பார்க்குறதுக்கு ஷைனிங்காக இருக்கும். So that way is called the luster. Non-metals are on the other hand are dull. So therefore they don't have the luster. But non-metal வந்து எப்படி இருக்காது, ஷைனிங்காக இருக்காது. Then second property, hardness. Try to cut iron with knife. It is possible? No. Because metals are hard. Then try to cut a rubber with a knife. It must be very easy. Is because the non-metals are soft. So next property is malleability. Let us perform one activity. See this activity. Take iron nail, coal piece of thick aluminum wire, pencil lead. Beat each of them with hammer. What do you observe? எல்லாத்தையும் என்ன செய்யணும், சுத்தியல் வச்சு நீங்கள் அடிக்கிறீங்க. என்ன பார்க்குறீங்க? Iron nail and aluminum wire change their shapes, right? But gold piece and pencil nail breaking to pieces. Greater the change in the shape, right? So thus metals if beaten, they change the shape and form thin metal sheet. This properties is called as malleability. So metals hammer வச்சு அடிக்கிறப்போ அது thin sheet மாறுச்சு அப்படின்னா that is called malleability. Non-metal breaking into pieces like we are seeing in the activity. Next property, ductility. Next other interesting properties of metal is ductility. If it is the ability to form thin wire, it is called ductility. அதாவது மெட்டலை தின் ஒயரை நம்மளால் மாற்ற முடிஞ்சிச்சு அப்படின்னா that is a ductility. With this property we can see the wire aluminum, copper and iron. But non-metal don't show this property. If we try to cut the wire, it is broken. So next property is sonority. The property of producing ringing sound when a substance is struck by hard substance is called sonority. ஒரு சப்ஸ்டன்ஸை இன்னொரு ஹார்ட் சப்ஸ்டன்ஸ் வந்து டச் பண்ணுறப்போ சவுண்டு வரும் பார்த்தீங்களா, அந்த ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி பேர் தான் sonority. Metals are the sonorous but non-metals are not. Next property, conduction of heating. If we heat one end of the iron nail, then we can feel the heat in the other end of the nail, isn't it? So this means that metal conducting heat, that non-metal does not conducting heat. If non-metal would be conducting heat, what will happen? If it possible to use handle in cooking vessels like pressure cooker, drying fan? No. Okay, so non-metals are the bad conductor of heat and metals are the good conductor of heat. The last property, conduction of electricity. This perform one activity. Connect circuit it all as shown in the figure. Check that the bulb light or not. Repeat the same for other materials. What do you observe? First material and then conductions. Iron nail is connected. Now bulb is glowing. So iron is a good conductor of electricity. Next we can connect the sulfur. The bulb is not glowing. So it is a bad conductor. Next coal piece. It is a bad conductor of electricity. Last copper wire. Bulb will glow. So it is a good conductor of electricity. So from this activity you can verify that what metals are good conductor of electricity and non-metals are bad conductor of electricity, right? Next we have to see some exceptions. What is exceptions means? Sodium and potassium are soft and can be easily cleaned, that is cut and formed in surface by knife. சோடியம் அண்ட் பொட்டாசியம் அப்படிங்கிறது மெட்டலு. அந்த மெட்டல் வந்து நம்ம ஹார்ட்னு பார்த்துருக்கோம். ஆனால் இங்கே வந்து இந்த ரெண்டு மெட்டலும் என்ன அப்படின்னா ரொம்ப சாஃப்டாக இருக்குது. ஸோ இது ஒரு எக்ஸப்ஷன்ஸ். நெக்ஸ்ட்டு அயன் அண்ட் காப்பர் All the metals are solid stage னு சொல்லியிருக்கோம் except only the mercury in liquid state. Next, non-metal iodine. But iodine is a non-metal, but it is a lustrous. Diamond is a hardness substances. These are the properties of metal, but it is showing in the non-metal. So this is the exception of